Okay, gang, today here's a B3 I picked up on eBay, and the seller was really careful not to mention some details, like the cuff is chewed up there. The big deal is it's missing all the collar strap, and you see that collar strap's not even attached. It's a 42, and there's a little damage here, a little damage there, damage there. It's not a bad coat, but the big deal for me was that the cuff was damaged like that, and it's missing all the hardware. So I mean, this is what the hardware looks. And then, God, can you believe that it's even missing all the waist buckles as well? Bummer. Yeah, eBay is full of crooks, gang. eBay is full of crooks. Really deceitful people. But so you can see, this is what the waist buckle should look like. So, and then that's what the neck buckles should look like. Look like my battery's going dead. So, but this B3 is an intact, nice one. But this one here, it's missing a lot. It's missing, yeah, the buckles and all that's kind of a big deal. But there's a place in England called Bison Leather, and I've just been told about them, that they're really a first-class operation. I've emailed them back and forth, and they sound like great people. So I'm most likely going to ship it there and have them repair it if it doesn't sell. I would just buy it and keep it, but if it's missing all that, I just seem to sell it just as is and get a better one. I don't wear them. I just collect them because I'm a aviation enthusiast. But yeah, boy, I got hoodwinked on eBay. How do you do that, huh? Oh well. Anyway, I collect these kind of jackets, so if you find them, A2s, B3s, G1s, Navy coats, Irvin flight jackets, I buy and keep those. I buy and keep the pants as well. I don't wear any of this stuff. I mean, I ride bikes all year, but I don't wear any of this stuff. I just buy them and keep them. Neat piece of history. Anyway, gang, that's what we got here. Some neat old B3s. And if you have those buckles and parts, let me know. I'd buy them from you. I'm here in the United States. Yeah, if you have coats that are totally thrashed and trashed, I would buy those to refurbish other coats. So anyway, gang, here we are.